Hard work was never the formula for wealth. If it were, the hardest working people would be the richest ones, and that's not the case. Wealth follows different laws. Opportunity flows to ones and avoid others. This rune formula will turn the tides of wealth into your favor. In the end of the video I will show you how to activate it. The runes are Berkana, Fehu, Yera. The rune Berkana is the rune of growth, rune of nature, a rune of being nurtured, protected, cared and ensured that you are in a positive environment for development. The same as a mother cares for her child, this rune is related to goddess Freya and Frigg, who are the archetypes of the feminine energy. The rune Fehu is the rune of the material success, of the material wealth, and it will ensure the income and growth of income. And the rune Yera is the rune of harvest. It will ensure that you will get appropriate compensation for your work. For this rune formula, an appropriate incantation could be that by the power of these runes, my income will be growing day by day, week by week, and month by month. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.